Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jaguar XF back seat. To begin, locate the two release levers, which are typically found on the top of the trunk opening. Pull both of these levers firmly to unlatch the seat backs. Once unlatched, you can then easily fold the rear seat backs forward into the cabin, creating more space for your cargo. Before folding, always ensure there are no items on the seat or in the trunk that could obstruct its movement. If the seats feel stuck, check for any child seat anchors or straps that might be holding them in place. Once clear, gently push the seat backs to fully recline them, providing full access to the trunk area from inside the car.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips. And speaking of keeping your car in top shape, especially after opening up that back seat for extra cargo, you'll want it smelling great. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
For your safety and to prevent damage, always perform this action when your Jaguar XF is parked and the engine is off. Never force the seats if they resist movement, as this could damage the latching mechanism. If you encounter any difficulties, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific model details and troubleshooting tips. If the seats aren't releasing, first verify that both release levers were pulled completely and are fully engaged. Sometimes, small debris can get caught in the latch mechanisms, preventing them from operating correctly. Inspect these areas carefully. If you've tried these steps and still have issues, it's best to seek professional assistance from a Jaguar service center.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.